Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless mini circular saws that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting at rank number 5, we have the NOVARIC X 20V mini circular saw. This saw packs a 2-amp 20V motor, churning out 3,400 RPM, making it a versatile option for cutting wood, soft metals, tiles, and plastics. It also includes 2 saw blades, a 24T TCT blade for wood and a 48T TCT blade for soft metals, along with a built-in laser guide and rip guide for precise, straight cuts. The adjustable cutting depth and bevel angles allow for flexibility in both standard and miter cuts, making it a solid option for lighter, detail-oriented projects. In terms of design, the NOVARIC X has a compact build weighing just 6.9 pounds, which makes it portable and easy to maneuver. The ergonomic rubber handle minimizes fatigue during prolonged use, while its double protection switch prevents accidental startups, ensuring safety. However, the overall build quality is slightly less premium compared to higher-ranking models, and the laser alignment, while helpful, may require occasional recalibration for pinpoint accuracy. Performance-wise, the NOVARIC X is ideal for light to medium-duty DIY projects. It's not the most powerful saw in this lineup, which may limit its effectiveness for tougher materials or extended use. However, its affordability and lightweight design make it a good choice for occasional users or beginners. The biggest downside is the smaller cutting depth at 45 degrees and the moderate battery life. But overall, it's a decent option for detail work and portability. Pros: lightweight, laser and rip guides, affordable. Cons: lower power, less durable build, moderate battery life. Coming in at number 4 is the HYCHIKA cordless circular saw, the most budget-friendly option in today's lineup. With a powerful 18V motor delivering up to 3,500 RPM, it's well-suited for cutting through wood, soft metals, tiles, and plastic. It includes 3 blades for different materials, a unique feature at this price point, as well as a laser guide and a parallel guide for precise cuts. The adjustable bevel angle 0 degrees to 45 degrees, and a maximum cutting depth of 1 7/8 inches at 90 degrees provide versatility for a range of cutting tasks. The HYCHIKA scores high on design and portability, thanks to its compact and lightweight build. The 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides extended runtime and recharges in just 2 hours, making it a reliable tool for smaller projects. The double safety switch adds an extra layer of security, while the aluminum protective cover enhances durability. However, its build quality feels less refined compared to premium competitors, and the laser guide, while functional, isn't as bright as others on this list. Performance-wise, this saw does a great job on lighter materials, but it may struggle with tougher projects or extended use. It's best suited for DIYers or hobbyists who need an affordable and portable tool for occasional use. While it doesn't have the bells and whistles of higher-end models, the HYCHIKA offers excellent value for its price. It's the perfect entry-level tool for beginners looking to tackle light-duty cutting tasks. Pros: budget-friendly, extended battery life, multiple blades included. Cons: less durable build, limited cutting power. At number 2, the GALAX mini circular saw is a fantastic option for DIY enthusiasts. Its 20-volt motor delivers a solid 3,400 RPM, making it suitable for cutting wood, tiles, and soft metals. The saw includes 2 blades, a 24T blade for wood and a 60T blade for metals, and features a laser guide and rip guide for accurate cuts. The maximum cutting depth is 1 11/16 at 90 degrees and 1 1/8 inch at 45 degrees, matching the GALAX PRO but with improved ergonomics. The GALAX stands out with its lightweight design, weighing just 4.6 pounds, making it the lightest option in this lineup. The ergonomic handle minimizes hand fatigue, while the double protection switch ensures safety during operation. The saw also includes a vacuum adapter, helping maintain a cleaner work environment. However, like the GALAX PRO, its battery life is limited by the 2.0 amp-hour battery. Performance-wise, the GALAX excels in portability and ease of use, making it a great choice for light-duty projects. While it's not built for heavy-duty tasks, its compact design and precision features make it ideal for DIYers and hobbyists. It strikes a great balance between performance and ease of use, earning it the runner-up spot in this countdown. Pros: extremely lightweight, laser guide, ergonomic design. Cons: limited battery life, moderate power. Finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT ATOMIC 20V Max Circular Saw, the premium choice in today's lineup. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers up to 369 linear feet of cutting on a single charge, with the DCB205 battery sold separately. This saw features a removable auxiliary handle for added control, an electronic blade brake for safety, and a bevel gear system that allows users to cut 2 times material at 90 degrees with ease. The bevel lever further enables precise 45-degree cuts, making it a versatile tool for a variety of applications. Built with DEWALT's signature durability, the Atomic 20V Max boasts a robust metal and plastic construction. Its ergonomic design includes a 1.5-inch finger trigger for precision control and onboard blade key storage for quick blade changes. The dust port adapter keeps your workspace clean, and the hang hook adds convenience for storage. At 6.6 pounds, it's not the lightest, but it's well-balanced and easy to handle. Performance-wise, the DEWALT ATOMIC is in a league of its own. It's powerful, efficient, and built for professionals and serious DIYers. While it's the most expensive option, the superior build quality, advanced features, and high performance justify the price. It's an investment that will last for years, making it the top choice for those seeking the best cordless mini circular saw. Powerful brushless motor, excellent build quality, versatile performance. Cons: expensive, battery sold separately. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.